Hi there guys, and welcome back. As you can see, I'm starting to get a few more videos out, and as you will see a lot more, I'm going to be down at the doghouse. I mean, currently I've actually beat them down here, which is quite nice, but I have said that I was going to come down and give them a little bit of help and just be about. I enjoy being down here. I did say I was come down, give them a hand, sort of get a few bits and bobs done, like this one. A few bits need to get done on this, and I said I was more than willing to help. I did say I'd help. I'm going to pull the dash and the interior out on this one. That's got quite a nice rear as well. Does actually look really nice back there. But I did say I'd help do a bit of this. I think there's some stuff under the bonnet that he's doing. And I just thought it'd be quite nice, just for a bit of content, just to show you guys a few bits and bobs. So, we're going to crack on with this bad boy. I think the first thing I need to do is get these seats out my way, because that'll massively help. And then try and figure out what all this lot is as well. Because I don't really know. Well, there's the seat out. There's fuses everywhere in it. There's about 19 keys in this van. Apparently it's been held together with self-tapping screws. Oh, get off. So, the story with this van is it is a 2.4 with a blown engine. And it needs to no longer be a 2.4 with a blown engine. This is the earlier shape one, so it has got some of the older parts. All this lot needs to come out so I can get in behind it and start taking some of the pedal box and the wiring and God knows what else out of it. But hopefully you guys are hopefully you guys enjoyed the last video where I sort of explained a little bit of where I've been and why and what have you, and you're looking forward to the next adventures. I'm hoping that the next... Why is this screw ridiculously long? The next video I can kind of explain my van to you and what's going on and why. My van's yeah, that's a different conversation, that thing is, and we're gonna have to get into that, but you will be seeing it back. Definitely will be seeing it back. What is going on here? I don't even know what that is. I'm going to try and put you in a relevant place so you can see what's going on, but at the minute we're just taking stuff apart. This steering wheel is a fucking monster of a steering wheel. Yeah, I hate taking dashes out, because not only have you got to deal with the wiring that's been added over the last 20 plus years, you've also got to try and find the screws that are supposed to be there and that have randomly been added for random reasons. That was also really easy to come off. If you've ever removed the dash, you guys are probably aware that there is a bolt underneath the dash, or underneath the bonnet, sorry, for the dash. I will show you that in a second once I get to it. Yeah, there's a couple of 8mm on either end. There's a bunch of screws that go underneath here, a bolt under the front, and then just a lot of wiring really, and then the dash is out. As you can see, I've not took the vents out. I'm going to pause for a break. Well, there's food time over. Just want to show you that bolt I was on about. For the dash, it is that bolt that's up there. Can we get a better look at it? Yeah, there you go. It's that bolt up there. You undo that, and then that undoes the rest of the dash. Most of this is undone now other than some wiring, and that is how you get the dash out. Lots of screws. Sorry about this weird camera angle, but this is the best I can do right now. There we go. Which means I can undo some more wires. There we go. Ta-da! All of these I was struggling to get out. That just pulled out in the end. This is wire central. I have absolutely no idea of what I've been filming, but yeah, dash is out. I need to try and trace all this wiring back, get all this wiring out. Half tempted of taking this out. A bolt back there, a bolt there, there's a bolt up there. This bit should then come out, because every bit of wiring's got to come out. This is a hell of a, this was fun. The choke. Should we put that back together as well? That was a pain in the ass to deal with. But yeah, let's try and rip some more of this apart, I guess. I am sorry that this content is probably a bit boring. This is just something that has to be done. Sorry that these camera angles are a bit rough, but I am trying my best. Ah, what is that stabbing me? I've dropped the bolt I need. I don't know where this also goes. Oh shit. This feels like it's important. Haha. Oh shit, sorry. This feels so wrong. Well, it's been a while since I picked up a camera. I completely forgot. But whole of the dash is ripped apart, the wiring's all out. Wiring's on the seat over there actually. And started, sorry about the weather, started to rip all the engine and the front end apart. So, starting to make a few dents on this. Like I said, the dash is there. All the wiring. Managed to get quite a lot done. She's a lot emptier than she was earlier. So I'll take you along on what's going on and why. Kind of why. But yeah, this is how we are right now. Oh my god, it looks awful. But that's the end of that. I'm going to get myself off because it's getting late. It's about time I went home. But hopefully you guys are enjoying sort of a bit more content. Hopefully you guys are enjoying sort of seeing a little bit of something again. Tune in next time to see what happens with this next, or what else is going on inside the shop. But tune in next time to see what happens. Again, thank you very much for everyone for all your messages. Means a hell of a lot to me. But I'm going to get myself gone. Thank you very much for watching. Go subscribe, it's free. Take it easy.